In this tutorial we're gonna discuss about how to get API from Unsplash. So to do this, go to this site, type Unsplash API. Yeah. I have already signed up, and so you need to suppose I'm getting logged. So I need to get. I'm already signed up, so giving me to login. You can sign up also. Okay. So you will come to this dashboard after getting signed up and verifying your email ID. So go to your apps. I have already created a demo. When you signed up, you will only this new application only show. So let's uh, click on every checkbox and accept the terms. Give an application name. Run. You get an application ID, access key, and secret key. Now you can use this to create an to get various images and API. I have created this Python, and you can access various images. You need just the access key. Suppose I'm copying of the nature. It will fetch per page will be part 5. Let's see if it works or not. Look, it's working. Let's see if the image works. Yes, it's a nature image.